Hello guys, welcome back to Template Tutorials. And in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to create a beautiful business poster like this. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Alright, so first of all we have to go and change the layout here to blank. So we then move on to the design tab and we are now going to customize it. So here we are going to choose the A4 on choose portrait because it's going to be a promotion poster, and click on OK and then click on maximize. So the next thing again I would like us to do is to go to the insert tab, go to shapes, and you are going to insert a rounded rectangle which is right here. So just click on it and come and draw a rounded rectangle. So you see the blue point, the orange pointer here, use it to control the edges of the rounded rectangle. So with this one I'm going to remove the outline. So let me simply just come here under the shape format. So the outline, I'm going to give it no outline. So then I want this one to have a gradient fill, not just a solid fill. So I'll right click on it and I'll go with format shape. So from there you see we have the solid fill here. So I don't want the solid fill, I'll go with gradient fill. So when you click on the gradient fill, this is the default gradient that you will get, gradient fill. So I'm going to come to the preset gradient. I'm going to change it to this one. So from there you see the first color to the right. So I'm going to select it, and when you select it you can see the color there. So I'll now come to the color and I'm going to go with this color. So let me try and selecting it this way. I think this way. So I'll click here again. I'll come here and I'll go with this color. But with the last one, which is right here, I'll come here and I'll go with this color. Alright, so I'll do it this way. Alright, so I think this way is not looking bad. Alright, so with this one being set, I'm simply just going to align it to the top left corner of our screen. Alright, so when I align it here, I'm now going to place in a text in there. So the text will just be logo. If you're having a logo, you just have to place your logo there. So I'll select it and I'm going to format it. So I'm going to change it to impact, the other as a font, and the size I'll try with 24. So I'll bring my cursor to the left and I'm going to add some space there so that it will push it to the right. Alright, so now I'm going to make another copy of this one by pressing and holding the control key and drag to make a copy. So with this one I'm just going to clear the text off. So with this one I'm simply bringing the outline back. So I'm going back to the format shape. So the outline, I'm bringing it back. So I want to choose an outline of white. So let me come here. So we can increase the outline. You see we have the line here. So when you come here, the outline, the size is 1. So I'm going to increase it to 8. You see the outline there, it has been increased to 8. So for now I'll place it this way. So I'll come back to 8. So before that I'm just going to simply make another copy of this one to the right side. So with this time around I'm going to make sure that this one looks like a circle. So but with this outline I'm not going to use the white, I'm rather going to use the different color, which is this red. So not just this red, so you see this color or this shape, I want us to insert a picture in there. So you have to come to the top under the fill. Instead of the gradient fill, we'll go with the picture text or texture fill. So the picture I'm going to insert is already in my device, so I'll go with insert. If it was not in your device, you would have go with this button on the first one, but it's in my device, so that means I'm working with offline pictures. So I just double click on it to insert the picture. So let me increase the size and position it all. So let me come and be working on the both of it at the same time. So I'm going to bring this one to the front. Alright, so observe one thing about this our picture. You see that it's moving out of the page. So to bring it or bring parts of it inside of our poster or our page, you simply have to come to, when the shape is selected like this, you simply have to come to the bottom side you have something that we call offsets. So with the offsets, I want us to push the top to the bottom. So that means I have to come to the offset top. So you see what happens, I'm pushing it here. So I'll leave it this way. So I also come to the right. I'm also going to push it a little. Alright, so I think this way is not looking bad, so I'll leave it this way. Alright, so now let me position this one also well. Alright, now so I want us to insert the text inside here. So you have to go to the insert tab, go to text box if you want to insert the text. So just simply click on the page to insert the text box. So inside here you can now type in your text that you have to insert. So your business promo. So have your business promotion. So under there, I'm going to place in a small description there. So I'm just going to randomly generate one paragraph with 2 lines and see what will happen. Alright, so now let's format it. I'm going to select from the business promotion to the top. So the font of it, I'm going to go with area rounded, and the size, I'll go with 24. Alright, so but with the business promotion or with the business, I'm going to change a different font, and that will be the impact. So the size, I'm going with 36. So let me now place it here so that we can now change the color of it. So the color should be white. Alright, so let me simply reduce the size of this one. So I'll go with the light, and the size I'll go with 16. Alright, so now I'm going to make another copy here. So I'm going to select it, and this one will be our services. So let me now select it, and I'm going to change the color to black. So with this one, the first one, I'm not using the black, I'm using the red right here. So let's change the font size of it to 18. Alright. So I'll gently align it somewhere around here. So let me now come here. So here I'm going to change the font also to Calibri, but this one again I'm going to just bring some random generation here, paragraph that I mean. So 2 lines also is okay for me. Alright, so with this one the color should be black. So bring the cursor here and give it space, so there can be some space in between. So let me align it somewhere around here. Alright, so now I want us to add another text box at the bottom. So I'm making a copy there. So I'm just going to clear this one off. So now we are going to add the services there. But you know, for the sake of this video, I don't have the services, so I'm just going to randomly place some text there, some couple of texts there. So I'm just going to go with the quick brown fox. Alright, so I'll make a copy of it a couple of times. Maybe I'll add 3, making it a total of 4 services. Alright, so I think this way is not looking bad. So now you can see that I want us to add some bulletin there, you know, so that it will not just be this way, so that it will, all of this will be in bullet form. So to do that, I'm just going to go with insert tab. I want us to use a customized one, so go with shapes. So like I said, I'm going to use a customized bulletin here. So the bulletin that I want to use is right here. So I'm going to click on this one, that's the arrow, click on it. So let me zoom in a little so we can draw it all. Alright, so with this one, let's remove the outline, and with the shape fill, we'll choose this color. So I'm going to make a copy of this one a couple of times. Alright, so let me now zoom out a little. Now I want us to make a copy of this one again to the right. So I'm going to clear this one off, and this one will be why you choose us, or why choose us. So that means that here has to be the benefits of this poster, or the promotion, the business promotion that you are making. You know, it has to be benefits, so that you can have clients that will come for it. So why choose us will be somewhere here. So again, I'm just going to make a copy of these text boxes. So I'll choose 3. If you have more services, you can add more. I said services, benefits, but like I said, this is just a video, so I'm just going to place in this random templates text there. Alright, so this one also, I'm going to choose a different bulletin form. So I'm going with oval. Alright, so the outline is no outline, and the shape fill, again, we are choosing this color. So when I place this one here, I'll bring another one here and make another copy here. Alright, so again, let's zoom out. So now the next thing again that I would like us to do is to come to the bottom here, and we are going to insert another shape right at the bottom. That will be a rectangle shape. So I'll simply draw my rectangle like this. So we are going to use this one as a footer. So I'll give it no outline, and I'm going to give it a shape fill of this color. Alright, so you see, so inside here again we are going to insert another circle. So just simply draw the circle here. So with this circle, we are also giving it no outline, and we are going to give it a shape fill of white. Alright, so I'm just trying to reduce the size so that it will fit well. Alright, so now I want us to make a copy of any of the text here, inside here. So we are going to change the text here to a contact detail. So I'll just get text, I'll just place in some text like get in contact. So at the bottom, that will be the contact detail. So I'll go with plus 00 000 0000. So I'm just going to go with 33, something like this. So I'll select it all, and the color has to be white. So with this one, formatting the font of it. Alright, so I can increase the size here a little. So now let's place this one at the center. Alright, so now I want us to place in a phone icon inside here. So I have the phone icon on my device, so I'll go with insert, pictures, and this device. So I'll double click on this phone icon to insert it. So I'll gently place it inside here. Alright, so we are not done there again. So I want us to make another copy of this one to the right. So here you can, if you have other follower, if you have social media platforms, you can add it here. So you can, I'm going to add something like follow us. So you can follow them on the F stands for Facebook, the T stands for Twitter, W stands for WhatsApp, and I stands for Instagram. So I'll select all this way. So the font will be Impact. So I'll gently align that one also somewhere around here. Alright, so now I want us to go back to the Insert tab. I want us to insert one last thing here. So go to the Insert tab and go to Shapes. You are going to insert this arc here. So just click on it and come and draw your arc. So let me zoom in so we can have a clear view of how the arc looks like. So the arc, I'm going to increase the size to 7. So I'll increase here also, and increase the size as well. Alright, so let me now zoom out. So now let's reduce the size here to 5. So the color here will be white. Alright, so you see how it looks like. So let me now zoom out so you can have a clear view of how our poster looks like. So here, if you come, you can give space here, or you can just leave it like this. So as you can see, our poster looks nice and clean. Thank you so much for watching. See you later in my next video.